Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your computer with keyboard in Windows 11. So let's get started. Now, let's suppose your cursor is not working. You're going to have to search for the Windows key in your keyboard. After you press the Windows key, this Start menu will pop up. And in Start menu, press the Tab button, and you will see the square selector coming to the pinned apps. Then you're going to have to press Tab again and make sure that the square selector is coming down to your profile. As you can see, now it's in the recommended section, and now it's in my profile. After seeing it in your profile, you're going to have to click right arrow, and then you're going to hit enter in the power option, and then press down arrow to go to shutdown, and then press enter to shut down your computer. However, if you want to restart, then press down, and then your computer will restart. Moreover, there is another method which is even shorter. So I'm going to close this Windows menu, and then let's suppose that you're in any kind of screen. Now, if you want to shut down or restart your computer, then press Windows plus D button and then press Alt F4. After this menu comes up, as you can see, we have shutdown option here. If you just press enter, your computer will shut down. However, if you press down arrow, as you can see, we have restart, and if you press up arrow, we will have lots of other options. So I'm going to click down arrow. If you click enter right now, then your computer will restart. So guys, if you found these methods helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.